Do you want to get your surprise? Now? Right now?
Yeah. Is this a spaceship? Or a book? Or a house? Hi everybody, this is my new toolbox. Let's see what's inside. You open it and see what's inside. Wow, that's amazing. I put this down, this hammer. I put it down, it's the wrench. I put it down. I show you the hammer first. You take the nail and you boop, 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 boop the nail, and it's color blue. Now I'm going to show you the drill. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi everybody, this is my new toolbox.
Do you know what your surprise is?
I don't know.
Can you guess what's your surprise?
I don't know.
Oh, look here
no
now.
idea.
Close your eyes. Can you guess what's the surprise about?
I don't know.
Are you excited now?
Yeah, it's going to say hi.
Okay, close your eyes.
Close your eyes, no peeking.
Count 1 to 10.
You count 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No peeking. There.
I cannot remove it.
Do you know what that is?
I cannot remove it.
Do you know what that is?
I think it has no
What is
butter.
this? Is this the surprise that you like?
Yeah.
And what do you call this? What do you call
I
this?
don't know.
You don't know, but that's what you want.
I don't.
That's a drill, Caleb. That's a drill.
It's the electric drill.
You want me to open it?
I cannot. Yeah. First. Hi everybody, this is my new toolbox. I'll open it. First, I will show you how to open it. See that red handle? If you want to, did you see that red handle? If you want to open it, you'll flip this red handle, and I put this right here. Whoa, what's inside? This is the hammer. This is the wrench. And don't forget the screw. And don't forget the drill, Mommy. These are the parts of the drill. See that forward button and the back button? Can you see it? First, you need to push this and screw some noise. And then I'm gonna show you the hammer.
Let me help you clear the area, okay? Let me help you.
Pop, 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 pop. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh, can you show me how to use the hammer first?
The hammer is used for the nails, not the screws. And then we hammer green, and then pink. And don't forget the switch, so I can make noises.
It's music time! Drill a screw or hammer a nail into the hole to hear a melody. Insert a card or press the TubeBuddy to hear sing-along songs. Let shadow colors to the beat. Red, yellow, white, pink, and green. I'm a super duper fix-it machine. Can
Now, can you show me how to use the drill?
Let's shadow color to the bead. Red, yellow, white, pink, and green. I'm a super duper fix-it machine. Construction, orange, purple, brown, and blue. Amazing color rhymes from me to you.
So silly. You get some screws first. Something called. Now I'm going to show how to use the drill. See that forward and backward button? See that button? You see it? I want to screw it, but there's no screw. So I need to take one screw first, and then two screws. This is how to use the screw. You need to put two in, and then screw it. See, it's a lot. If you want to screw it out, see that? Now, you put it out, and another one. See, it's ready now. And now you need to screw it down again. So, whoops, it fell down like a dominoes. See, a lot. Now open now. This looks like a dominoes. Oops. Now it's locked.
And show me how to play the music.
Okay. Okay, I will show you how to play the music. Sorry about that.
It's music time. Drill a screw or hammer a nail into the hole to hear a melody. Insert a card or press the tool button to hear sing-along song. I need a nail and a hammer. Let's shadow colors to the bead. Red, yellow, white, pink, and green. I'm a super duper fix-it machine. Construction, orange, purple, brown, and blue. Amazing color rhymes from me to you. Yahoo!
this is the hammer and the wrench. Let's put it down, and then this is my drill. And these are my nails. And these are my screws. And this is my toolbox. This is the hammer, but there's no nail. So you need another nail. Look, I have one nail, and then I have two nails now. Put one is in blue, and one is green.
Let's shadow colors to the bead. Red, yellow, white, pink, and green. I'm a super big.
This is the color red, and this is the color brown. Let's knock it.
Let's need a nail and a hammer.
Stop.
Wrench. Righty tighty, lefty.
Now I'm going to show you how to drill buttons.
Righty tighty,
A
lefty.
screw.
Yahoo!
Look at that screw.
We have a drill and a screw. What do you want to do? Let's build something
There's
for
all
me
numbers
and
and
you. Yahoo!
colors. How to clean up is the drill first goes here, and the handle goes here, and the wrench goes here, and these tools goes here, and then you close it up and then close it. That's how you clean up. But bye everybody, don't forget to click the button below and subscribe to my channel. Bye!